वालेकुम, कैसे हो आप सब। उम्मीद करता हूँ आप सब ठीक होंगे। आज के इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे बीजी फोर्थ सेमेस्टर सब्जेक्ट एजुकेशन के इम्पोर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज़। ये इस वीडियो का पार्ट सेकंड है। पार्ट फर्स्ट में हमने बहुत सारे इम्पोर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज़ डिस्कस किए हैं। अगर अभी तक वो वीडियो आपने नहीं देखा है तो वो वीडियो आप ज़रूर देखिए। उस वीडियो की लिंक आपको वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिलेगा। वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैं आपको एक बात बताऊंगा, अगर अभी तक आपने इस वीडियो को लाइक नहीं किया, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और वीडियो को एक लाइक ज़रूर कीजिए, क्योंकि आपके चैनल सब्सक्राइब करने से और वीडियो को लाइक करने से हमें मोटिवेशन मिलता है। सो चलिए आज का वीडियो आगे बढ़ाते हैं। Question number 1. In Vedic period, admission was not given in educational institutions too. Correct answer is option D. Next question. In Vedic period, who obtained education up to the age of 48 years were called? Correct option is option C, Aditya. Question 3. The main objective of Vedic education during Vedic period was? Option C, spiritual development is right answer. Question 4. During Vedic age, teachers were called? Option A is correct answer. Question 5. In Vedic period, only brahmacharis were allowed in? Correct answer is option B. Next question. Who was considered the oldest Brahman Maharaja? Correct answer is Manu Maharaja. The life of Shishas in Gurukulas was? Correct answer is simple. The relationship between Guru and the Shishas was just like father and son. Option B is right answer. The main target of education during Vedic period was removal of ignorance. In Buddhist education, student was called? Correct answer is option A. The caste system was emerged in India during the Brahmanic period. Education among Muslims was started on? Answer 4 years, 4 months, 4 days. In Muslim education, students of literature after completing his education was called? Correct answer is option A, Fazil. Medium of education during medieval period was? Correct answer is Persian. Operation of blackboard aims at? Correct answer is option D, providing primary education in an educationally backward area. Next question. The downward filtration theory of education was advocated by? Lord Macaulay. Lord Macaulay was associated with? Correct answer is option C. The main aim of Macaulay minutes were? Correct answer is option D, all of these. Macaulay's name was Thomas Babington. Lord Macaulay had no idea about? Correct answer is beauty of Sanskrit language. Which education plan in 1944 called the Universal Free Compulsory Education for Children between 6 to 11 years of age? Correct answer is Sargent Plan. The Total Literacy Campaign TLC was first started in the state of? Correct answer is option C, Kerala. The Right of Education to Free and Compulsory Education Act was passed in the year? Correct answer is option B, 2009. Social education in India was renamed as adult education from. Correct answer is option D, 2nd October 1978. The program Operation of Blackboard OBB was initiated by. Correct answer is option B, National Policy on Education 1986. Which of the following is Magna Carta of English education in India? Option D, Wood's Dispatch is correct answer. The University Grants Commission was constituted in 1953 on the recommendation of Radhakrishnan Commission. Option B is correct answer. Next question. The system of government grants to universities was first started by Lord Curzon. Next question. In which of the following provinces Lord Curzon established the Central Agriculture Research Institutes? Correct answer is option B, Bihar. In which year Hunter Commission had submitted its report? Correct answer is 1883. Varda scheme is popularly known as. Option C, basic education is correct answer. Detention in primary classes for more than a year is known as stagnation. Option B is correct answer. Who established the Central Education Department in India? Correct answer is Charles Wood. According to the recommendations of Wood's Dispatch of 1854, 3 universities were established in. Correct answer is option C, Calcutta, Bombay and Madras. The foundation stone of modern Indian education was laid by Charter Act 1813. Option A is correct answer. The Anglicist and Classicist controversy came into end because of Macaulay Minute. Option A is correct answer. Who declared the 1854 education policy? Correct answer is option D, Charles Wood. Which of the following gave the suggestion to divide secondary level curriculum into Course A and Course B? Option B, Hunter Commission. National Literacy Mission (NLM) is a nationwide program started by Government of India in 1988 is correct answer. Which of the following is not a cause of failure of basic education? Mother tongue as a medium of instruction. In the Hunter Commission report, special emphasis was laid on the development of. Correct answer is option C, primary education. Lord Ripon appointed the Indian Education Commission on. Correct answer is 3rd February 1882. Who was the chairman of Indian Education Commission 1882? Sir William Hunter. Indian Education Commission 1882 is also known as Hunter Commission 1882. Wood's Dispatch contains. Correct answer is option A, 100 paragraphs. Wood's Dispatch recommended. Correct answer is option D, all of these. Wood's Dispatch had received the teaching of both A and B, Sanskrit and Arabic. Option C is correct answer. According to Wood's Dispatch, the medium of instruction should be. Correct answer is English. Macaulay opposed the education of Sanskrit and Arabic language Indian religions. Option C, Both A and B is correct answer. Lord Macaulay as a law member came into India in the year. Correct answer is 1834. Indigenous schools were recognized by. Correct answer is Hunter Commission. Warda's conference was held in. Correct answer is 22 October 1937. Warda conference was emphasized centered education. Activity centered education is correct answer. 3 universities recommended by Woods Dispatch were established in the year. Correct answer is 1857. The chairman of basic education was Zakir Hussain. Principle of basic education is activity centered, child centered, self supporting. All of these option D is correct answer.